Dans cette vidéo, vous êtes un agent de police qui doit enquêter sur la disparition d'un enfant à Ashwood Creek. Vous suivez d'étranges signaux radio et l'enquête commence à prendre une tournure surnaturelle, mettant en péril votre survie. Saurez-vous percer les mystères de Radio Light? Et n'oubliez pas, je suis en live tous les jours sur Twitch et YouTube. Ce que nous appelons le début est souvent la fin, et arriver à une fin est annoncer un début. La fin n'est qu'un point de départ. 19h, la maison d'Ethan. Alors, Elliot a disparu. Activer le texte sans format. Avis au public du département de police d'Ashwood Creek, disparu Elliot Lair, 14 ans. Vu pour la dernière fois le 30 août 85 dans la zone de Blackwood. Information appelée le département de police. Aucune évidence d'infraction notable. Les équipes de recherche n'ont pas découvert d'indices probants.
Mia, what's with the music again?
Mia? Son sac à dos est également introuvable. En fait, du coup, il est en train d'enquêter sur la disparition de cet enfant.
I think I've had enough for today.
Mia! C'est vrai qu'on entend des sons bizarres un peu. On va
Any
avancer.
beer in the fridge left?
Il parle à Mia, du coup? Mia a le droit de boire de la bière? Ah ouais.
Dad, come here.
J'arrive. Avec ma bière.
See? You hear that? It's like it's saying something.
It sounds like it's just an
Les chaussures
interference.
sur le lit, on en parle
That's
ou?
what I thought, but I keep hearing these strange. It's like hissing, you know? Here, try it.
Alors, ouvrez la bouteille. Boire. C'est écrit Girl Power.
No, I don't hear it.
It was just there, I swear. You know what, Dad? You should keep it.
Thanks. Any chance I can listen to baseball on this?
Yeah, I think it's 90.6.
Ah.
You're welcome.
Yeah! Oh, c'est génial ce jeu, en vrai. On peut écouter le baseball.
Strong season so far for Jenkins, but tonight's been rough. He's 0 for 3. If there was ever a time to break out,
Huh.
it's now.
How did that get in
All
here?
right, Jenkins steps in. You can see
Charger le linge.
Mason's on the mound for the Bighorn
Attends, on peut
Squares.
mettre du linge
He's taking a
au...
long look at the runner on third, and here
On répond au
comes
téléphone.
and the pitch.
Eh, en vrai, le jeu, il est pas mal. Hein. En vrai, pour un jeu d'horreur indépendant, pour l'instant, c'est pas mal ce qu'on vit là.
To KCRK, Ashwood Creek Radio. It seems we have a new development in the case of missing Boy Scout Elliot Lair. Park Ranger Harvey Waters has also been reported missing. Waters, a longtime ranger at Ashwood Creek, last checked in early this morning. His wife says he was acting strange before his disappearance. Authorities have not confirmed if the two cases are related.
Oh.
With the extensive search happening, police are urging visitors to avoid the park until further notice. If you have any...
Est-ce qu'il va se garer n'importe comment? Ah oui. Comme d'hab dans les jeux d'horreur.
Ethan, do you copy? Are you on scene? Over.
Oui, je suis là. I'm here. Oh!
Yeah, I'm here. Just
c'est cool,
arrived.
ça.
Over.
So you're at the parking lot?
Yeah, still inside the car.
This car should be parked right next to the road. You see it?
His car?
Get out of the car and tell me if you see it.
Ok.
So, do you see it? Should look like a regular Ranger car. Tell me
Ah
when
ouais.
you found it.
Bah, elle est là, hein.
Yeah, I got it. It's parked right next to the road.
So that's Harvey's car there, like they said.
Who's they?
Security at the parking lot booth and Ranger team.
Et le jeu me fait penser à Firewatch en vrai.
Radio on him. He got to the parking lot at around 6 a.m. He was angry. But not just that. Apparently he was really wound up. Left his keys in the booth, then he just stormed off. Wouldn't talk to anyone.
Where did he storm off to?
Ah, en plus, faut répondre vite. S'il y a un timing.
To the visitor center, then there's a lot of space to cover. I'll tell you more in a minute. Well, if you just follow the trail, you should reach the visitor center. Tell me when you get there and we'll figure out the next steps.
A lot of broken glass around here.
Donc en
Looks
fait,
like
pour ceux qui connaissent pas
cracked light
Firewatch, c'est
bulbs.
un jeu pareil où tu parles talkie-walkie avec
I think
quelqu'un d'autre et tu fais des enquêtes.
Electricity issues
C'est à peu près dans le même
last
style, j'ai
week.
l'impression. C'est plutôt cool pour l'instant, j'aime bien.
Like the day Elliot went missing.
Around that date, yeah.
Je peux ouvrir la porte derrière. Oh, il y a le sac.
Who keeps a moldy backpack on the back seat?
Moldy what? What kind?
I don't know. It's mold.
I'm in the backpack.
Ah.
Looks like a standard backpack for hiking.
Il y a
I
surtout
don't
une
think I'm
pelle.
gonna touch it.
Il y a surtout une pelle à l'intérieur.
Looks like he had siblings. We know anything about them?
Hell if I know. Harvey always seemed like a recluse. Wouldn't talk much, especially not about personal stuff. Not even to the other rangers.
Well, surely you can dig around.
You want, I'll check the park's personal file when I'm down in my office. Don't expect much though.
I found some stuff in his trunk.
Une
A
antenne.
satellite or something. Some wires too.
Satellite. Harvey trying to phone home?
Oh mon dieu.
Well, maybe the Park Service gave him a raise in the space program.
Maybe he's a bit of a tech nerd or just has a hobby.
Probablement. Radio frequency for emergency. 101. 101.5.
This is the Ashwood Creek National Park Emergency Station.
Ça marche, putain.
Time updates on park conditions and safety guidelines.
Ça marche. En fait, tu vois un truc, une fréquence radio, tu prends ta radio, ça fonctionne.
Looks like their payphone's broken. First the glass, now the phone line?
Oh well, looks like you're stuck with me.
I'm doomed.
Donc j'ai raccroché le téléphone. Je sais pas où ça va, mais ça a pas l'air très safe, hein, si vous voulez mon avis. Est-ce que vous aimeriez avancer comme ça dans une forêt à la nuit tombée? Clairement, moi non. J'aime bien la musique aussi. Ok, en fait, franchement, pour l'instant, c'est une petite découverte. Je m'attendais pas à ça pour ce jeu. Je crois que je l'ai téléchargé un peu au hasard. Et pour l'instant, je suis agréablement surpris. Alors, la vie sauvage, juste là. C'est pas une clé, ça? « 97.5, hottest hit, non-stop music all day, every day. »
I'm at the visitor center.
And you found anything?
Someone's been here recently.
Right, a lot of people go there.
Not a lot of people go here in the middle of the night and leave the lights on in one of the rooms.
You mean the service room? That one's usually locked.
Well, no one seems to know where he's gone.
Carte.
Now, I know this town, and I know we've been through tough times before, but a missing young boy, my heart goes out to
Je
his
sais pas pourquoi la carte, on peut pas la lire normalement.
Park rangers
Ah, à cause de la table.
the trail
Putain, faut utiliser une vraie carte pour marcher dans ce jeu.
best. Things that ain't exactly animal nor
They
man.
got a poster of the kid here.
Some
Yeah, they've been replacing them every other day, hoping someone spots them.
Feels strange being here for Harvey while the whole
I
town.
had to split resources. You just got the short straw.
Volcan l'a
If
pété,
you're still
let's
part
go.
of this, you're not off the case.
Didn't
Yeah.
say that. His parents live 2 blocks away. I had to look them in the eyes the other day.
Yeah, I know, man. I'm just tired. Half the team's running on caffeine at this point. And we're getting pressure from higher-ups to scale back.
Alors, c'est toi l'expert.
Yeah, sure. You know best.
What does that mean? Just keep your eyes open. You never know how things can connect.
There's a little news clipping talking about Whispering Hollows. Is that the little cave next to the lake?
Little cave.
On est bizarre parce que le volcan a pété. Mais c'est pas nous, c'est pas cette fois, c'est le volcan a pété.
The article's talking about some
Le volcan
group that used
pète.
to live
Bah, on
there.
le dit.
Looks pretty
C'est toi qui est
creepy.
bizarre.
Yeah, I think that's bullshit. Just the kind of folklore that keeps people away from the woods.
There's a chair knocked over in the service room.
Weird.
You don't just leave a chair like this. Somebody must have fallen. Does anyone else come here?
Depends who got the shift. But no one except Harvey since last night.
Ouh.
The toilets here are something else.
What are you doing in the... I'm not even gonna ask.
Rapport, un report non essentiel object. Ouais, parce que j'ai fait un rapport sur un objet qui est genre les toilettes en disant bah c'est sale. Et il fait bah oui, mais on s'en fout en fait. Je sais pas moi, on m'a dit de tout rapporter, j'ai le bouton, je rapporte.
There's no map of the park there.
I picked one up at the center.
Good. I got the old one here in my end. So it's a piece of crap.
Je vais me perdre, les gars.
Stuck to his usual rounds, even with the boy missing. Lakeside trail, lookout, picnic spot, all worth checking. And if you left anything behind, it'd be in the ranger cabin.
Ok, trouver Harvey dans la cabine des rangers.
I can't even hear them now. It's mostly static than a voice. Look, can you just switch the channel and see what the situation
Ah les
is?
gens ils ont pas nettoyé, non,
Alright.
c'était dégueulasse. Hein.
This is police investigator Ethan Collins, checking in on the situation with the search.
This is Luke Jenkins, camp leader at the Ashford Scout Camp.
Hi, Luke. Are you the one who reported Elliot Lair missing?
Yes,
Heureusement
sir.
que le jeu est en
We
français,
searched
sous-titré français, hein,
everywhere
parce
we
que
could
j'aurais pas traduit
before
tout ça.
falling
Hein.
in. I stayed with the search party while the others took the boys back to town.
Got it.
Collins? What are you doing here?
Investigating Harvey's disappearance.
Figures. I talked to him yesterday. He was... off. Snapped at me for nothing. Kept writing in his notebook. Weird.
I've known Harvey for a long time. Was never like that. I figured he just needed space, you know?
Don't blame yourself, Luke. Focus on the search. Let the chief know when you're back at the camp. I won't be on this channel. Over.
Copy that. Over.
Wouh. Oh là, j'ai fait un méga saut quand même. Hein. En fait, ça me fait penser aussi un petit peu à Alan Wake. Alan Wake, ça se passe un peu dans le même style d'endroit. Alors, la cabine, elle est où? Où est-ce que je suis sur cette map? Blackwood Camp. Je suis sur le petit point à droite là. Donc il faudrait que je... Oh, c'est un chemin tout droit en fait, ça va. Alors j'ai le choix entre prendre le chemin de gauche ou le chemin de droite. Le chemin de droite, il y a un campement. Le chemin de gauche, en fait, c'est une grande ligne droite. Donc en fait, ça dépendra de ce que j'ai envie de faire. Ok. Donc du coup, si je prends ce chemin-là... Bah, il y a déjà des constructions en bas. Je viens pas de là, moi. Boat cruise. Je peux prendre la lanterne? Non. Bah apparemment là, tout le monde laisse les radios allumées ici. Oh oh.
I'm at the boathouse. Floor's a mess. Got muddy prints. Looks recent.
How fresh are we talking? Can you get a
Salut
close
Yado.
look?
I could've sworn I heard, I don't know,
Hmm.
like someone whispering, but no one was around. This happened a few times.
There seems to be plenty of boats. Do people boat on the lake here?
Unsettling,
Well,
to
not
say
without a guide. Harvey does these sightseeing cruises, from what I know. Takes the visitors around Misty Lake, explains the history.
I followed the prints. Looks like they go straight to the window. It's cracked open. A bit of mud on the frame.
Could be how someone got in.
Could be. Got a couple of family photos. Did you look into the file yet?
Yep, got it right here.
Ils sont pas bizarres, ils sont intenses. Ouais, on est intense, on n'est pas bizarre. C'est vous qui êtes bizarre.
They've traveled around a lot, eventually settled here. He's got a brother in Three sisters. Lives with his wife and daughters in the town.
D'accord.
Do we have any statements from them?
Not much time for full-on questioning, but wife said he was a little out of it the evening before. She said that's been happening a lot recently, but chalked it up to the job. Must have taken a toll on the guy.
Remettre en place. On peut le casser encore une fois.
Got an old acoustic guitar here in the corner. Peace, love, looks pretty hippie.
Harvey's a bit too old to be a flower child, isn't he?
Yeah, that's what I thought. It sure sticks out. His walkie's busted, covered in mud, back's all smashed.
Well, no wonder the search party couldn't get a hold of him.
It's making this weird sound, almost like it's hissing.
Could just be interference. I'm even surprised we got reception, to be honest. Especially with electronics going haywire in the park recently.
Can't have had much luck calling for help. Found Harvey's jacket. He's definitely been here. It's all covered in mud.
What's with all the mud? Sounds like he took a swim at the swamp.
Maybe he did. You don't get covered like this in a lake. Doesn't look accidental either.
What do you mean?
Maybe he was looking for something.
In the mud?
Harvey, il a enterré un gamin par là. Enfin, il y a un gamin qui a disparu et Harvey a disparu. Donc, du coup, ça se demandait qu'est-ce qui s'est passé en vrai. D'accord. Donc, du coup, je suis où sur la carte là? Ok, je suis descendu juste sur le bord du lac. Mais c'est pas du tout là où je devais aller à la base. J'ai un objectif de...
This is the Ashwood Creek National Park Emergency Station providing real-time updates on park conditions and safety guidelines.
Terrain instable. Donc du coup, il était boueux. Et là, il y a un endroit rempli de boue. De là à penser que... tout soit là. Oh, il y a probablement un truc là-dedans. J'ai entendu quelque chose chuchoter, non? Oui, il y a quelque chose qui chuchote là. Oh! Vous avez trouvé le journal du ranger dans la zone boueuse. Ce livre est à la disposition des visiteurs pour partager leur expérience que vous souhaitez immortaliser un moment spécial, laisser une note à l'intention des futurs visiteurs ou simplement écrire rapidement vos idées. C'est ici que vous pourrez le faire. Je vais passer la nuit au camp de Blackwood. J'ai d'abord exploré la zone marécageuse, bien évidemment. Beau paysage, tellement paisible. Lors de ma seconde visite, j'ai trouvé mon nom sur la dernière page. Je ne suis jamais venu ici. Quelle coïncidence, Steve Miller. C'est juste un livre d'or, en fait. Hein. Donc j'ai récupéré une rame, mais il n'y a rien. Je sais même pas, en fait, si... Vu que le jeu te laisse vraiment aller partout, je sais pas du tout où il faut aller, quoi. Donc le but de ce jeu, c'est sûrement de résoudre l'enquête sur la disparition de cet enfant qui a été kidnappé. Et le premier coupable, c'est le fameux Harvey qui a disparu. Et on est venu le chercher, nous. Donc en fait, ils sont en train de faire des recherches aussi de l'autre côté. Et moi, je cherche de mon côté en suivant les indices. Mais en même temps, le jeu vous fait entendre des bruits, des chuchotements, etc. Ah.
There's a fallen tree in the way.
Just climb over it, jeez.
I can't. Not this one. It's too big.
You gotta work on yourself, man.
Yeah, fuck you. I'm finding a different trail.
J'adore l'effet dramatique des sauts dans ce jeu. Alors que le saut n'était pas si dramatique que ça de base.
Footprints in the mud.
Similar to the ones in the boathouse?
Yeah, about the same. They look pretty fresh. Mud's not dried out yet. These prints are deeper than most. Looks like whoever made them was wearing boots, not regular shoes.
So ranger boots, and we found the same prints in Harvey's route.
Sounds like we're on his trail. Great. My shoes are soaking wet.
Ah bah écoute, on va devoir aller dans la rivière. Hein. Il y a une grotte aussi. On passe
Hello?
Hello? Y'a quelqu'un dans la forêt? Je vous préviens, j'ai un talkie-walkie et je suis prêt à vous reporter à mon pote, hein.
I've got some tree carvings. They're strange, to say the least. Looks like some ancient symbols or something.
Yeah, there's a bunch of teenage troublemakers doing shit like this. I think at this point, they're banned from the park entirely. Not that they would care.
Looks like some of these could be related to that old group that used to live here.
Yeah, I'm sure they dig that kind of folklore.
Alors, je vois une table pique-nique juste derrière le buisson, là. Et je vois une sorte de... d'ours. D'un coup, la musique, elle est intense, là, attends. Je peux traverser les buissons. Oui, je peux. Non, putain de fuck.
Fuck off, Mother Nature.
Va te faire voir, Mother Nature. On est d'accord. Oh. Il y a une hache là-dedans. Peut-être qu'on peut casser la vitre. Je sais pas si c'est quelque chose que j'ai envie de faire.
Somebody was at the picnic area tonight. Looks like they even wanted to stay for the night.
What? It's gotta be those teenagers again.
Ouais, je suppose qu'on n'a pas le droit.
Considering recent events, why would anyone want to camp out here?
I think for these guys, it just became way more interesting to camp there.
Non,
They
j'ai
got
pas
a
eu
fire
peur.
going and everything.
J'ai pas eu peur, c'est
You
faux.
think Harvey could have gone after
C'est
them?
faux.
Yeah, maybe.
Toi, t'as eu peur.
Keep an eye out.
Somebody left their backpack here.
Looks like they left in a hurry. You wouldn't just leave your backpack.
Looks kind of like the backpack I found in Harvey's car.
Mold included?
No, this one's fine.
Pas de mold là-dessus.
Got a can of Dr. Almond. Haven't heard that in a while.
It tasted like cough syrup and marzipan. Really weird taste. I thought they stopped making these.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Je vais pas
Bunch
boire
of
la
soda
bière. On peut
cans
boire la
around
bière
here.
apparemment, mais je vais éviter.
Might as well take one. Gonna be a long night by the looks of it.
Ça, je vais ouvrir. Un coca. Ok, je bois tout. Ça. Je peux peut-être boire la totalité. C'est sûrement un succès pour ça ou pas? Et un succès pour boire toutes les canettes? Le gars va vomir parce qu'il a bu trop de coca. Alors, je suis arrivé ici. J'ai Granite Trail et Black Hoop Camp. Ok, je suis au petit camp ici, d'accord. Ah, si je vais là-bas, ça va remonter vers la rivière probablement. Ok, le sentier est fermé.
Oh my god, what is this?
What is it that suddenly made you believe in God?
That thing's called a blocked trail.
Blocked? How?
On est boulé.
There's a mountain of rocks on the main trail. Some trees have fallen too.
Faut pas traverser.
Landslide?
Fuck. Looks like it.
On doit faire le tour et traverser dans des petits buissons. C'est pas un sentier praticable. Hein.
This trail here is pretty overgrown. It's full of bushes. Any idea how to get through?
Hop. Alors, je sais qu'il y a une hache là. Et il veut pas que j'ouvre. Il veut pas que j'ouvre. Je suis sûr que c'est comme ça qu'on passe. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que ce bruit?
This is the Ashford Creek.
What the hell?
What is it?
The boombox on the table's on a different frequency now.
You mean to tell me it's just changed on its own? Oh, what's it playing? You hear anything?
Not
Bah
much.
non, le son est déformé.
Distorted.
Hey, you got that little radio. See if you can tune into that frequency to clear up the sound.
On mange au cinéma? Attends, on mange au cinéma? Ouais, c'est pas grave. De toute façon, je sais pas, on va manger... parce qu'en fait, si on mange dans le resto à côté, ça va prendre du temps. Mais écoutez, à 20h pile, chérie, je m'arrête. Je m'arrête, c'est-à-dire dans 30 minutes. On n'aura pas le temps de faire grand-chose. Dans 30 minutes, alors. Kaina, ça va? J'ai vu que Céros était de La Réunion, je ne pouvais pas ne pas cliquer. Oh! Bah oui, t'es de La Réunion aussi, Cassie? J'espère que votre volcan ne vous a pas trop secoué. Non, pas du tout, ça fait rien. Il pète dans son coin là-bas, nous, ça ne fait rien, nous. C'est un spectacle. Là, en fait, ils sont en train de vendre des billets pour prendre 159 € pour prendre l'hélicoptère et voler au-dessus de la lave. Donc, pour te dire, hein, on est très très loin, t'inquiète pas. Alors du coup, c'est 104.
You mean my radio?
Yeah, try it. Tune into whatever frequencies on the boombox.
What the fuck?
I just tuned into the frequency.
And what did you hear?
I don't know. Some bullshit. No, just a whole load of nothing, and a boombox that shouldn't be working.
Okay, I'll log it. Probably some random shit anyway. Tired brains start filling in gaps.
Donc j'utilise la hache. En plus, c'est plutôt bien maniable. J'ai un doute. J'ai un peu un doute sur le chemin à emprunter. Attends, il y a un truc là-haut.
Got a backpack here. It's stuck in the tree branches.
Backpack? What's it look like?
It looks a little ripped, dangling from a branch.
Well, maybe if you find a way to reach it, you can get it down.
There's a single glove here. Buried right under the tree.
Meet me
Your
here.
hand's cold.
Oh.
Not really. It's leather, patterned. Doesn't look cheap.
Hiker.
Doubt it.
You think it's connected to the backpack?
I think whoever got that backpack out
Ah, j'ai
there
trouvé ça
must
par
have
hasard,
lost
les
his
gars. J'ai levé la
glove.
tête, j'ai vu un sac dans l'arbre.
I got the backpack down. A couple of badges on it. Boy Scouts.
Seriously? Could it be Elliot's?
Not sure. It's definitely out of place, though.
Anything inside?
A flashlight, dead. A map, mostly ruined. It says, meet me here, and the overlook is circled.
Who's meeting who?
No name, no date. Looks off.
Franchement, ouais. Le jeu, il est plutôt cool pour l'instant. Mais c'est cool que j'ai pu trouver ce sac à dos. Qu'est-ce que ça donne
I hear, like, some weird sound.
What sound?
I think someone's chopping wood here.
You mean to tell me somebody's chopping wood in the middle of the night? Where even are you?
Just below the lookout. I think it's stopped now.
What the fuck?
Ok, j'ai raté un peu le lockout, je crois. Ah, il est là. Je vais monter sur le lockout. J'ai raté le chemin, il est juste... Attends, c'est ça? Attends, c'est ça le lockout? Ah, mais oui, c'est ça. Attends, c'est ici qu'il y avait le rendez-vous. Il faut que j'observe des trucs là-haut, je suppose. Ah. J'étais sûr.
View's clear from here. Just miles of trees, all the way to the horizon.
You know, this place used to freak me out as a kid.
The park.
Yeah, not the bears or the dark or any of that. Just the quiet, you know?
Ouais, je peux comprendre. Ouais.
I know this surge is getting to everyone, but you've been off again lately.
Don't start.
I'm not. Just saying. You want to talk? I'm out here.
Copy that.
Est-ce qu'on va arriver dans un endroit un peu chelou? Ah, il y a encore un arbre coupé là. Mais c'est pas grave, on peut faire le tour cette fois-ci. J'ai un truc qui brille. Oh.
Another fallen tree. There wasn't any crazy weather lately, right?
I don't think so.
Bro.
I've got blood.
Whoa, 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 what?
There's a rock covered in blood. Looks pretty fresh. Parts of it dried out.
Oh.
Fucking positive that's blood?
Yeah, positive. Could be animal. I can't say exactly.
Where are you right now?
Just outside the cabin.
Copy that. We need to get you back up.
Who are you gonna get? Everyone's out in the search party.
Fuck. I'll try something.
Ok.
I'll stay here and look for more clues.
Work your map with the spot if you can.
Oh, je pensais pas... J'avais pas intention de venir là et j'ai trouvé du sang. Vous en pensez quoi du jeu pour l'instant? Ça vous intrigue suffisamment ou bien c'est chiant parce que ça parle trop? Moi j'aime bien le mystère et tout. Et je valide parce que c'est en français. Donc il y avait quelqu'un qui était là normalement. Oh.
I'm at the cabin, but the door's locked.
You see anyone inside?
Looks like someone's just been here. Smoke's coming out the chimney.
Harvey?
Why would Harvey leave the place like this?
Well, I didn't hear anyone. Search party should be at the camp by now.
What do you mean, nothing? You're telling me no one's on comms?
Well, I didn't hear anyone. Search party should be at the camp by now.
Let me try. Search party. This is police investigator Ethan Collins. Come in. Anyone out there? Luke Jenkins? Officer Carter?
Ah, personne répond.
Nothing. It's dead air.
This isn't normal. They always check in every hour.
Yeah, it's fucking not. Look, I gotta get inside to investigate.
Okay, there should be a spare key somewhere. Might be hard to find it.
Ok, bien caché.
Where's the key?
Look for a stone with red marking.
Une marque rouge, d'accord.
They got the generator going as well.
Sounds like they know their way around the cabin.
Donc je vais chercher une pierre marquée en rouge. Ah! Je l'ai trouvée. Nice! Bien caché la pierre. Des clopes. Ah, ouais. 11$. C'est quoi? C'est 106? Tune in into hidden signal. Ça marche pas. Hein. Parce qu'en plus, il est sur, il est à 105. Answer Creek, situation. Il y a un délire avec ça là. Alors, contrôler le périmètre du lac, des brumes, des campeurs ayant passé la nuit, retirer des débris du sentier de la crête de granit. Un autre ours noir observé près de l'entrée de la caverne, mise en garde des randonneurs à proximité et placer des panneaux d'avertissement. Contrôle de routine à Pili Lodge, rien à signaler, de petits travaux d'entretien nécessaires sur les cabines. Bon, bah ça a l'air sympa. Pas rapport de travail. Je vais aller directement à la fin. Le feu, regarde dans le feu. Putain.
What the hell?
Bro. « 91 ».
What the hell?
What?
There's a...
Can you speak, goddammit?
J'aime bien le genre, ouais. Il est cool le jeu.
There's writings on the wall. They're... numbers?
What?
I don't know what the hell's going on.
I can't fucking hear you.
Robert, I'm fucking locked in the cabin. Fuck this!
Ok. Je suis bloqué. J'ai une hache et un truc ici. Je peux rien faire. J'ai une pelle là que je peux pas prendre. Et je peux pas sortir d'ici. Je peux péter la vitre, hein, en vrai. Ah, je peux zoomer avec ma clic droit. Je savais pas ça. Ok, les mouches là. Ah, il y a un truc sous le lit. Je peux déplacer le lit? Je sais pas si je peux déplacer le lit, mais il y a des trucs sous le lit, j'ai l'impression. Genre, vu comment ça s'est traîné là, j'ai l'impression que c'est une possibilité. Si je retourne dans le feu. Non, je peux rien faire. What the fuck? Oh! Ah, 91! Qui ça?
Who are you?
Echo Beach. Tail hurts. Beach Echo. Stop.
Je viens de comprendre en fait. Donc moi en fait j'utilisais la radio mais en fait c'était pas ça. Il fallait utiliser le chiffre sur le mur.
Not a two-way. How can you hear me?
Here. Echo.
C'est les aliens en fait, non? C'est pas des aliens les gars?
Turn. Now. Echo Beach Echo.
Ok, c'est sorti.
That was insane. There's gotta be an explanation for this. But... Hello? Rob? God damn it, please tell me you can fucking hear me.
Je suis tout seul maintenant?
Great. Well, I'm just telling you, I'm getting out of here. Now.
Sortir de là. Ok, j'aime bien ce jeu. Le mec il est en train de dire, alors ça c'est la merde, c'est la deuxième fois que je vois des trucs bizarres, je me tire. Quelqu'un coupe des arbres très proches de moi. Oh. Excusez-moi, monsieur.
Hello, sir. How's it going? Are you all right?
You're... No. No, it's not you.
Are you Harvey Waters, sir? What you doing out here?
Can't you see? Chopping wood. Helps me think.
No, what are you doing here? Your wife's worried sick. I was sent to find you.
She doesn't understand. None of you do. What's your name?
Ethan Collins.
You again.
What?
No, it must have been someone else. You know what it's like to lose someone? To lose track of them? And search for them every day? I know he's out there. I've seen him.
Le
Is
garçon?
this about Elliot? You know anything about the boy?
Elliot. He's a scout. Good kid. You'll never find him.
Oh.
Why's that?
I've seen him. He shouldn't have gone in there. It's not my fault, okay?
All right, okay. Where's the boy, Harvey? You know, right?
In the circle. He's already part of it. Just like the others.
Ok.
You can't save him now, Ethan. You'll understand soon enough.
Pourquoi est-il en colère ce matin?
You came here this morning, angry.
This morning?
Yes, why, Harvey? What happened to you?
There is no escape.
Oh putain, c'est sur
Harvey,
rouge.
I need you to calm down, right now.
Come with me. You have to come with me now! We can find him! We can...
Get down on the ground!
Wow! Oh my god! Oh. On a rencontré Harvey, l'homme dans les bois. L'acting est bon. Ouais, c'est plutôt cool en vrai. Hein. Le jeu est cool, ça m'intéresse de ouf en fait.
Yeah.
Je crois que c'est un bon moment pour s'arrêter en plus. Hein.
I repeat, do you copy?
Ah bah il était temps.
Yeah. I'm here.
Je suis tombé de là-haut.
Jesus. You sound grumpy like usual. Anything happened?
Fuck my leg. I just took like a 30 feet fall and ended up God knows where.
You what? You're not serious.
I'm serious. I think I fucked up my leg.
Fuck. You need to sit tight. Let me call one of the...
No time. I found Harvey. He was just hacking away at this tree stump. Over and over, like he didn't even know I was
je peux plus
there.
courir au passage, hein.
Fuck.
Je
Found the guy?
boite.
I went for an arrest, but somehow he snapped, and I lost my gun and had to run away. I was running away from him and slipped.
And Harvey say anything at all?
He mentioned Elliot. He said something about a circle.
What? You pressed him on that?
Yeah, but he started rambling about some bullshit.
Okay, Ethan, deep breaths. You're a tough guy. Find some kind of a landmark. Do that, and I'll triangulate your position.
I'm on it.
Incroyable. J'aime bien le jeu. Je pense qu'on le continuera demain. Si vous avez kiffé les amis, dites-le moi dans les commentaires. Et laissez un pouce bleu. Un bouge bleu.